Welcome back everybody to another episode. I today again have nothing to show you besides the fact that I made brownies. I guess that's something I can show you guys right now. I have an overlay. Really simple recipe, super easy peasy. I might link it down below if you're interested in checking it out. It only takes, what was it? Supposedly it was only supposed to take 35 minutes tops, I think, if I remember correctly now. But it actually took twice the amount of time in the oven, at least in our oven, for it to actually become solid and not be complete liquidy, if that makes sense. I can also tell you, if you put it in 20 minutes and then cover it with some aluminium foil so it doesn't, burn at the top, it does become good. I wouldn't say perfect. Mine dried out a little bit more than I hoped. So maybe, if it said 20 minutes, I had it in for 40 for it to become solid. Maybe at 35 pull it out. Because it does kind of, you want to capture in the steam and not let it dry out completely. But that being said, it's a nice recipe. I can definitely recommend. Super easy. Just go for it, try out some new recipes, figure out which ones you like the most, and then enjoy. You can't go wrong with like a 15-minute recipe where you just chuck everything in and then, throw it in the oven. That being said, I hope you're doing well. Go outside, do some sports, and I shall see you guys in tomorrow's episode again. Peace.